Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I got my Boxycharm. So this is my Boxycharm box. And this theme is Boxycharm Bubbles and Glitz. I got variation 32. Yay! I'm excited. December, Boxycharm. Last Boxycharm for the year. And the least amount is this Spongelet Cherry Tonka Musk Body Wash Infused Buffer. I'll probably give this to my mom because she likes these. And this retails for $20. Okay. Next is the Huda Beauty Amethyst Obsessions. This purple palette. I'm glad I got this one because this goes to my collection of my Huda Beauties. And I really do enjoy these eyeshadows if I can get it out. And this retails for $27. I can't get it out. I picked this out, and this is the Ofra Cosmetics Pressed Banana Powder, $35 for this. So I was like, ooh, Ofra. And I needed more of the banana setting powder because I only got one. I'm just gonna tear this box open. There we go. And it's really nice packaging. Very different because it's like this. So there's no room for, okay, that's pretty nice. It comes with a mirror and a pretty good size banana powder. Very nice. That is $35. What? Next is this MAC lipstick. And it's a matte lipstick that's $19. And this is MEHR. It's a pretty nice color. This is like my color, my go-to color. Let's see if we can open this up. Oh my goodness. I do like their lipsticks, are pretty nice. So I'm glad I got another one of these. That's the color. Very pretty. Smells good too. Okay, and last, I'm not gonna open this, and this is the Tarte Maneater, and this is a really good mascara, and this retails for $23. I'll just open up, and it's in black, of course. I wish they would do like color mascaras. That'd be nice. Because I used to wear like blue and purple, and this is what it looks like. Pretty nice packaging. So I'll be right back. So my box comes out to $124. Not bad. For $25 plus tax. So I paid like $27.30 every month for a box. So that ain't too bad. So this is what the palette looks like. Very gorgeous palette. Very gorgeous. So I'm going to put this color on. Wait, this color on first because it's brighter. This is going in my inner corner. This is going in the middle of the crease. This is gorgeous colors. I'm excited. I was like, I hope I don't get a face palette because I put on my profile that I did not want a face palette at all anymore. And skincare because I got way too much stocked up. Okay. And last, I'm going to put this in the outer portion of the crease. So far I'm using the matte colors. Okay, I'm gonna put this color in the rest of the eyelid. I added glitter glue, so make it like, wow. Pop with some more. Just all over the lid there. On top of the purple right here, I'm gonna put like a lighter color, this middle one right here. I thought that was gonna be pretty. So let's try this out. I might use my pinky finger for the center. Thought that was pretty. I'm gonna use this color again. It's underneath the lashes. I'm gonna go in with this color. I think for like the rest of the underneath the eye. And then the last color, I'll be putting this on. Okay, last is the MAC lipstick. Oh, this is gorgeous. Too bad this is not cruelty free, but it is gorgeous. Really nice, creamy product. I really like the color. Very cute. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment to my channel. Bye for now.